Hey y'all, I'm Zaria. Welcome back. Today I'll be doing a little tutorial on how to put your lashes on, especially for beginners. So if you're interested and you need help with putting your lashes on, please just keep on watching. So first, start with your lashes. This is a brand new set from just the beauty supply store. I'm going to take them off the little thing with my tweezers. You can trim your lashes to fit your eye shape. I choose not to. I usually just try to make it work. So what you want to do is you want to take the lash that corresponds to your natural eye, obviously. Usually it's where you match up the inner with the smallest, the shortest length. You want to apply a thin strip of glue. This is transparent glue, but I recommend using the black glue, because then if you have any gaps between your lashes and your lash line, it just looks like eyeliner. So applying thin strip with the glue. This is what it looks like. So nothing too much. You don't want to have any clumps. You just want to go smooth left to right. You don't want to put too much on one area and not enough on the other. It's okay if you do, but then you might end up having some lifting later on during the day. So try to get it in a nice swoop straight across. And I'm gonna let this dry for about 30 seconds because you don't want to put it on too early, because then it's gonna be runny and it's not gonna sit correctly. So you'll know when transparent glue is done when it kind of starts turning blue. So as you can see, it's kind of getting kind of blue. So it's kind of disappearing almost. So for beginners, I highly recommend you use tweezers. You want to grip the lash with your tweezer. Get up close to your mirror. What you want to do is match it to the inner corner of your eye. And then, you know, like I said, when the inner corner matches, the outer corner just kind of falls in place too. Grab the outer corner and press. I like to use my fingers to press, just to make sure. You can also use the tweezers to press though. Just push it on to your lash line. I kind of call this the hybrid method, where you use both your fingers and the tweezers. I feel like that works best for me. So now that lash is on, I'm gonna show you one more time with the other side. So again, you got your lash, and I'm gonna show you with no glue real quick. So what you wanna do is line it up to your inner corner, and then just plop it right on your lash line. Go in from kind of like above your lashes. Don't come in directly at your lash line. You want to kind of go down from above and then stick it as close to your lash line as possible. Obviously it's falling off because there's no glue on it, but when there's glue on it in a second, you'll see. You come down kind of from above, coming from, like, go behind your lashes. Line up the inner corner of the fake lash to the inner corner of your real lashes. And then when there's glue, obviously it's gonna stick, and you press down. Getting as close to your lash line as possible. It's okay if they're kind of on your lash line. Just when you take them off, make sure not to rip your lashes off dry. Try to at least wet up the lash line with just a little bit of water. Just take some water between your fingers, run it across the band, and it'll break up the glue. So that way you're not really ripping out your lashes if the glue is stuck to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. Again, a thin, even strip of glue. Again, wait about 30 seconds. 30 seconds is the minimum. If you kind of went too much with the glue, maybe give it like 40, 45, just to be sure. Again, like I said, transparent glue will start to look kind of clear to bluish when it's getting done. So just, you know, give it at least 30 seconds. Okay, so been about 30 seconds. My lash is ready. Grab it with the tweezers. Get up close. Again, come in from above. And then, like I said, push with my fingers just to kind of press it down. So one pro tip I have is to press your natural lashes and the extension together, just to make sure they're as close as can be. So you kind of just press them together while they're drying. Okay, so we are good to go. My top tips for lashes are to please be patient with yourself. It does take a while to get it. Practice makes perfect. Make sure if you're planning to wear lashes to leave yourself enough time, but when you're getting ready, don't try to rush it, especially if you're a beginner. Leave an appropriate amount of time for a little trial and error. If you have to take them off and do it again, make sure you leave yourself enough time. Yeah, that's about it. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.